The team's success depends on the leadership and trust of LT, CMDR, Eric Blackburn, CIA scientist Mandy Ellis, who has sacrificed everything to uncover the bad guys and take down the terrorists, and Ensign Lisa Davis, a no-nonsense officer who takes command. This close-knit SEAL squad demonstrates unwavering patriotism and brave loyalty in the face of overwhelming odds by deploying on covert missions around the globe at a moment's notice, despite the toll it takes on them and their families. The military setting of the TV show SEAL Team emphasizes the themes of conflict, drama, family, and loyalty. This show has incredibly believable plotlines that not only keep you watching but also make you care about the characters. Fans typically maintain high hopes for the future season, and their interest in and excitement for it will never wane. Fans of SEAL Team have been waiting a very long time to learn whether the show will receive a 7th season, and what kind of compelling storyline it will feature. However, as of right now, there are no official updates on SEAL Team Season 7, so we must wait until the show is officially renewed before learning what the new season of SEAL Team has in store. For starters, this is one of Paramount Plus' highest level originals, so while we would certainly like for there to be more, it's most likely to depend on streaming figures and earnings figures that are never ever made public. Nevertheless, we are at least confident that there might be one more period later on certain, and also there are at least some reasons to believe that it will certainly happen. As this is without taking into account the fact that it attracts a lot of loyal customers when it also seemed like a movie was probably going to happen. Arriving eventually, however, we haven't heard much about that impression, and when we recently spoke with showrunner Spencer Hudnut, he was clear that he really didn't know much more than anybody else outside if a revival takes place when might brand new episodes best. Our impression is that we would see a lot of work, so why change that? Ideally, Paramount Plus will just continue and also present some good information